Acer's new entry into the competitive arena of affordable ultrabooks is the stealthy Aspire S13, which has a Core i5 processor and costs just $750. It's a good laptop, but not quite good enough. The look of our black S13 is macho, combining a textured matte black display lid with a black metal interior. Even the decorative highlights along the laptop's spine are more gunmetal than true chrome. But the tough guy approach doesn't really work here because build quality could be better. The plastic on the upper half feels chintzy, for example, and doesn't seal tightly with the screen bezel. Our review unit had an Intel Core i5 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB solid-state drive. This is a strong combination given the S13's retail price of $750, though not unheard of. The Asus ZenBook UX305 UA is almost identical inside. The Core i5 processor is quick, but the 256 GB SSD is the real story. Aside from the ZenBook, very few affordable laptops offer this much solid-state storage. The S13 weighs in at about 2.9 pounds and is at most 0.6 of an inch thick. This makes it one of the lighter entries in its category, and again, especially at its price point. You can throw this laptop in a backpack and forget you're carrying a laptop at all. Even the power adapter is small and light. As for the battery, it's about average. We recorded 4 hours and 46 minutes of endurance in our heavy load Peacekeeper web test, which lengthens to an almost 7 hours in our automated web browsing loop. These figures are respectable, but ultimately behind class leaders like the ZenBooks and the Dell XPS 13, both of which can exceed 9 hours in our web browsing loop. And that's the S13's problem. It is a good laptop in many ways, fast, light, yet still affordable. But the Asus ZenBook UX305 UA does everything the Aspire S13 does, but better. Acer's entry is solid, but it lacks a standout trait that would separate it from the alternatives.